Hello guys, and today we are actually making a first-person shooter tutorial in Unreal Engine. So for this episode we are actually going to be setting up the movement, which will be crouching, jumping, sprinting, and moving forward, backward, left, right, and also looking up and down, left and right. So without further ado, let's get right on into the video. So, first of all, if you are in your blank scene, you will notice that all you have is just this flying around camera that has a bit of collision, and that is just not a game whatsoever. So, we will go blueprints, create in game mode, create a game mode, and then it will automatically create a blueprints folder if you so choose that, of course. But you do need a folder for, unless you just go content, but it tries to have a blueprints folder. And inside of blueprints, I will name mine game modes. And name this classic. Oh, I had it minimized. My bad. Okay. And now we will automatically have it set to classic, so we want to go up here to edit, then project settings. Go down to engine, input, and I already have a few set up, so I'm gonna just wipe these. And you'll create an axis mapping, which will be walk. Now just go run because it's gonna be first person shooter, so you don't just walk. Run, forward, backward. And this would be W, and then S. Scroll down to keyboard, S. So just to -1, as that is going to go backwards, as this would propel it forward. And then we will add another, which will be strafe left and right. So we will go A, again keyboard A. This would be -1 because this is left and it looks for a right vector. And then D, keyboard D, and this is 1. Next we will go look up and down, mouse Y. You guys would probably have to set to -1, as I think Unreal Engine automatically inverts it, so. And then we would go look left and right. This would be mouse X. And this can be 1 because that does not get inverted. Then we will create action mappings. This would be sprint. This would be left. Come on. Left. Shift. Then we will do jump. And this would be spacebar. And then last, but certainly not least, it is crouch. And this would be, come on, click. Left CTRL. Left control. Now we can close this. And then we would be able to right click in blueprints, new folder, player, blueprint class, character, player controls. Is it I'll name mine. And then we will just set on begin play. We character movement, set max walk speed. By default, the max walk speed is 600, so let's set it to about 1500. Not 15,000, that would be way too fast. Now I'll go 1250. And then we'll go run forward. We want our axis event, not the get axis. And then add movement input. Scale value is axis value, and row direction is get actor forward vector. Compile and save. Then we'll go strafe left and right. We go add movement input once again. Then it will be get actor right vector. And so we will just select all of this by clicking and dragging. Press C and that will comment block it, and I will name mine movement. And I'll do the same with event begin play. Begin play. Organize mine a bit. And then if you compile and save, minimize this, you can see that we are still a flying camera. And that is actually because we need to go back to our game modes, go to classic, open full blueprint editor, and then go down to default pawn class, and it will be player controls. Compile and save, minimize. Now we have our player controls pawn. Now you cannot move, well, you can only move, and you cannot look left and right, you can't look up or down. And that is what we will do next. Oh crap. Player controls. Look up and down. And this would be add controller pitch input. And then look left and right would be add controller yaw input. Compile and save. Comment block if you want, and don't name mine look around. Compile and save. Minimize. And now you can look around. So yeah, now we have our basic movement done. Next we will go sprint. Then we will find the pressed and to go ahead and get another reference to character movement. Set max walk speed. Set this to 2000. Control W. Drag that into released, and then we will get back to our 1250 as max walk speed. And then we drag in the character movement into target again. Compile and save. And there's sprint. Crouch. You'll notice that there's already an option for that, but we will go action events. Crouch. Pressed. Crouch. And then released. Uncrouch. move these a bit lower, set this to crouching. And then, last but not least, we have our jump. Again, action event. Go pressed, jump, and then on released, stop jumping. And so now, I'll just move this, comment block it, jumping. Oops. Jumping. Save and compile, and now we can jump, we can not crouch, and that is probably because you can crouch. Yep, you go ahead and click character movement and then type in can crouch up here. It's automatically ticked off, so we set that back on. Crap. Now you can move around, you can jump while moving, and you can crouch. And now for the next part, I will scale up this, make it a lot longer. And now, as you can see, we move faster while we're sprinting. You may want to speed that up a bit more, so set to 2500. I need to stop playing from there. That's a really bad habit now. And now we sprint, we jump, and we crouch. See, the jump is a bit low, so we will tweak that. Begin play. Set jump. Z velocity. And by default, our jump velocity is 420, so I'll double this by going 840. No. Okay. And now we jump, double the height. So that's all for our movement episode, and in the next episode we will actually be adding a gun to the player and making it shoot. And so yeah, stay tuned for that by making sure that you're notified by subscribing, entering on notifications. Make sure to like the video if it helps you out. I do have a first-person shooter game that I submitted to a game jam. Link will be in the description, because that is actually what we're trying to duplicate with this project. So that will tell you basically everything that will be inside of the finished result. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye!